Fly Babies. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today is Sunday, and I'm here to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. So on Sunday, that is our Renew Your Spirit Day. So of the 3-layer cake, we have our routines that we're going to do first. So let's do those. Get up before the family, do your morning routine. Let's go over the morning routine. The morning routine is make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, moisturize your skin, put on some makeup, fix your hair, little jewelry, little perfume if you wear those things, get your clothes on, put your PJs away, swish the toilet, wipe out the sink, go to the kitchen, unload the dishwasher, make a little breakfast. That's yours. Now you might have 1 or 2 other little things in there. Maybe you do a little quick reading of the Bible. Maybe you're a scripture reader. Maybe you need to feed the dog or pick up the doggy pad or whatever. Those things can fit in there, but those are just really quickie little things. Now you may also have major chores that have to happen. If you live not even in a homestead, you might live in the city and have 3 chickens and they have to be fed first thing and their eggs need to be collected. Let's do that. It's not a time to walk the dog. You know, unless you have to go to work during the week, this would be a time to walk the dog if you're the only one who could do that. But it's the time to do those things that must be done. All right, then we're going to put our children through their morning routine. So their morning routine is basically make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, fix your hair, put on your clothes, put your PJs away, wipe out the sink, hang up your towel, come to the kitchen, and have breakfast. It's very simple. And that's it. And then, now today is Renew Your Spirit Day, so the clothes they're going to put on are their Sunday clothes if you're going to church in the morning. So everybody's dressed for church. You're dressed before they get up, right? Or for worship. So, and if you are of a different denomination that, not that you're different in any way, but if you worship on Saturday, then you just flip-flop these days. Today would be your day to have family fun if Saturday was your Sabbath. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is go. When you come back, oh, there's one other thing I forgot to tell you to do. Always check your planner. When you look at that planner, it's going to say, today we're having roast beef. Yikes, did I lay out the roast beef? I didn't. It's too late. So get something else out of the refrigerator that can thaw while you're at church or plan on buying dinner out today. See, that's why you want to look at that planner every night and every morning. So let's say you did have it, and so you say, okay, I'm going to cook that in the crock pot, or I'm going to wait till I come back and fix something in my Instant Pot, or I'm going to put that in the oven when I get back. I'm going to have plenty of time to have it ready by 2 or whatever. Maybe you prep some things or need to prep some things this morning, just a few little things toward your meal. So when you come back, you have a meal or you prepare your meal and wait for that to cook, and then everyone eats together, and then as a family, everyone cleans up after dinner. And then after that, the only other things you have to do are to get ready for bed, which includes our 3 clutter checks. Even though it's on a Sabbath day, you're going to have a clutter check in the morning. So after they've done their morning routine, you're going to go around real quick. Who left clutter? Did you yourself leave clutter? Did your children? So we're going to all pick it up so we can keep these areas clutter-free. You're also going to do one when you get back from church after the kids change their clothes. Did you throw your clothes on the floor, Susie Joe, or whatever? Joseph, pick your clothes up, you know? Or did you, Mama? Did you lay them on a chair when they need to be hung up? All right. And then the next thing we're going to do is have another one before bed, okay? And you're going to check your planner again, right? And tomorrow's school. If they're going away to school, if they're staying home, that's one thing. But if they have to go catch a bus in the morning, or you have to take them to school and they have a project that was due, you know, have they finished their project? Do they need to work on it today? I hope not. But sometimes that's the way it is. So get that done and by the front door, right? And you're not doing it, they're doing it. You are there to help them understand directions and things like that. All right, then after that, that's it. This is all we're doing today. There is no laundry today. There is no paper clutter today. There is no zone today. This is what we're doing. All right, that's it. I hope you have a beautiful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.